Ayun na.
Ayun na. Hi. Good morning.
It's a video. Hi. So, today, we'll go somewhere
Down the road. Somewhere there sa Quiapo.
Click yung yung eye notification dun sa taas. For last year's trip. Good morning. Where are we? Hi. I don't know what station here, but the town is the main station. A lot of DHC.
Tell me, lover,
DHC.
now that you made your change, was you sure you discovered?
We're at Sinungging.
Again.
Again. Sikot lang habang maaga pa. Later madami ng tao. We're eating Legon chicken. Hanap-hanap ko yung lasa niya nung nasa Philippines tayo. We just took pictures sa may rainbow crossing and I like the photos. How they turned out.
2 months since you got back, how have you been? And are you bored yet? The weather ain't been bad.
Hi,
If you're
guys.
in the max,
So, I'm just trusting Ken kung saan kami pupunta kasi hindi ko naman inaral. And I was telling Ken na parang ang ganda ng neighborhood. I'll show you guys. I'll show you.
8 years ago,
Yan, no? And hinabol namin actually yung sunset. Yeah, so, pero either way, it's nice naman kasi there's city lights.
everyone trying to move the fuck away from hibernation. You.
Para tayo ng 5 kilometers sa Impera.
So, di ko akalain na ganito ako magiging kasaya na makakita na daanan.
Patag. Hindi hagdan.
pagbaba ng leads ko. Everybody carries that. Namumula na yung palms, dehydrated na. So, hindi ko ba? Look guys, ang ganda na. Ganda na architecture.
I stare at that Hollywood ocean as if to pick a flame for the dream.
Ang ganda diyan, Lervin. What did you order?
Seafood, tempura, udon na mostly
Mine is spicy. Hindi naman
pepper
black pepper.
chicken.
Tapos, sobrang dami na naman. Matabang siya na hindi. Parang mapang.
Hindi siya red.
Akala ko kasi sunny and all. Hindi pala. So we're here. Umuulan siya. Zero visibility.
Air in my lungs till the
But,
road begins.
naka-raincoat.
Yeah. So,
Kasi wala kami makita. Ay, wala ko. Kasi naka-raincoat kasi wala ko makita. Ano daw? Umuulan kasi. Ayaw ko kung nakikita niyo pero nawawalan na ako ng... Pero in fairness, maganda nga siya sana if sunny, ganon. Ayun, may trail doon. Ayaw ko kung nakikita niyo may something doon. Hi guys! Nandito po tayo ngayon sa tuktok ng
Shilin District.
Shilin District. At napakalaki. Tignan nyo, tignan nyo. Look. Wala na.
May
Hindi
zombie
naman
doon,
tayo
iso.
Uy!
Nostalgia Brook Road. I'm over the bridge, a minute from home, but I feel so far from it. The depth of my love, the stretch of my skin, it's all washing over me. I'm angry again. The things that I lost.
We're at
We're at Day 2 Thermal Valley.
Thermal Valley. Day 2 Thermal Valley. Where are we?
Evening.
Looks like a food
Food
market.
street.
Food street. So we're waiting for our
Secret.
sikat nila. So, what are your thoughts?
10 out of 10. Sulit. Sulit yung binayad. Sarap. Juicy yung lasa niya, hindi siya typical Taiwanese. Hindi siya American taste. Blend nila na infused.
Or chicken yung akin. Ang sarap ni Butcher Junior. Although, pagka-convert mo siya, price sa mo siya ng burgers natin. Right? Pero dito, parang
Normal.
Hi guys! So we're at Kulay. So to try namin tong glass.
Ano,
Platform.
onting practice pag
Come here, come here. Welcome kita. Pag nahulog tayo, edi oras na natin. So, wait, pakita natin yung gaano ka clear yung water. You see? So nice, so clear. Ang scary lang, para siyang
Luma na kasi,
masisira
guys.
na.
Climbing up from the valley below, seeing places and faces I've never known. I will follow to the open road. Through the trees till I see the sun. Now I know that I can feel alive again. Throw caution to the wind. I'll find my feet on the way. 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 Step by step I come alive. Lift my hand up to the skies. Won't look back, I'll chase the sun.
Go to yung Hisoy mo. For breakfast.
We'll go to Taoyuan. So, akala namin wala na kami mabibili, but punta kami sa Adidas, then ikaw na magbuhat, baka sabihin nila pinapabuhat mo ko.
Teka, natanggal yung
In the morning when I wake and the sun is coming through,
fill my lungs with sweetness, and you fill my head with you.
Hi guys! So, we're in Alicia! Finally, natuloy na. Cause last year, di ba, parang gusto namin kaso kulang ng time. But sobrang lamig. I think we should walk there. In fairness, pwede cars pala dito.
Yeah. Pag cars ang dala mo papasok, ang ticket, ang entrance fee mo is $300 Taiwan. Pero pag
Oh,
nag-bus
okay
ka,
lang.
150
Per tao yun?
per tao yun.
Yung daan papunta dito, sobrang nakakahilo. Lalo na, hindi kami nakakuha ng seat.
So, almost 3 hours na katayo.
Yeah.
Kami
Siya,
dalawa pa.
ako umupo ako sa floor, kinapalan ko ng mukha ko. Pagbaba ng bus. Diretso akong CR, nagsuka talaga ako. Hi! So, nasan tayo? In the middle of the forest. There's the...
Locked in a stalemate with the man was no hope. Rock in a hard place, it's battery control.
In my head, living in the moments we first met. Down the old
John Cosson Fancy.
way the late October taste on your breath. And now it's colder and trying to get you off my mind is like trying to fight against the tide. 'Cause I know that loving you's an ocean I can't hold back. So don't ask me to say goodbye or let go of your hand, 'cause I don't think I can when your waves crashing pull me out again. Now I'm a hopeless wreck, afraid to face the night.
Toy Story, Andy's Room.
So, sino gusto mo makuha?
Want si Boki.
Si Bopit. Ako gusto kong makuha si Rex.
Last year, I accidentally saw kung ano yung laman. Ay, yung alien! Ang cute naman. It's nice. It's nice.
So, cars. Style Panda, guys.
Ang ganda.
Hi guys, so naman namin si Ruth.
So nice.